AI marketing is a hell until you have a clear system. Most business owners use ChatGPT or Claude and they get faceless, generic text back. In this video, I break down step by step the ready process that turns the house into an autonomous sales machine. Stop writing prompts by hand and burning hours on generated filter. I'll show you how to connect AI into a system inside your business, from deep audience analysis to out-of-funnel and smart end-to-end analytics that run without you. You will get the full algorithm, how to digitalize your customer, teach AI to write in your voice, warm up leads 24 hours per 7 days, and let robot analyst optimize your budget every morning. But I need to start from the main mistakes. So let's start. Why your AI hands your garbage? It has nothing to do with the model being dumb. The cause is simple. It has no context and no memory. Every time you open a fresh chat and type "write me a post," you are starting from zero. The AI knows nothing about your company, about your customers, or how you sound. So it gives you the average of the whole internet, which is exactly the bland water you've been getting back. The fix is architecture. Your AI needs to sit inside a system. It needs one shared database of everything that happens within your company. A clear style guide to your brand and the different tools connected to each other so they pass information back. Force over API. Once you build that, the AI stops guessing and start working from your business. And the next 4 steps are how to build this system. Step 1 is digitalizing your customers. Stop writing prompts like "pretend you are a marketer and describe my audience pain point." That gives you cliches, the stuff anyone could guess in 5 seconds. Instead, you build a digital avatar of your real customer. You take your actual Zoom transcript from your client calls, the reviews people left on your site, your CRM exports, and you feed all of this to AI knowledge base. Now AI could read the real psychology of your business. It pulls out the true triggers, the things people won't even say out loud in the interview, but reveal in how they talk. This one step changes everything downstream, because now every piece of content speaks to real person instead of made one. Step 2. Content factory. The reason why AI sounds like a robot is that nobody teaches it to sound human. So fix that. Load the best posts or your best articles that written by your hand so this AI model could speak like you. Then write a hard style guide. Ban your specific filter words, set the sentences length you want, and tell it the rhythm and energy your writing has. Now the AI writes the way you write. You get the content in batches, fast, and it keeps your voice and your personality intact. This is where you get from writer to editors. You shopping 10 times the content and still sounding like yourself. Step 3. Autonomous warming. Step 3 moves from writing text to running conversations. You connect and train AI to chatbots inside your messages. So, when a cold lead comes into your funnel, instead of dumping a standard PDF guide, your bot opens a real conversation. It asks questions, it qualifies the lead, it works out their specific problem, and it builds a personalized offer on the spot. That's a salesperson working every hour of every day. Step 4. The robot analyst. Marketers hate the spreadsheet grind, but AI loves it. So you step it up to pull data straight from your ads account and your CRM into one analytics chat. Every morning the AI scans the numbers, find the anomalies, and hand your plan summary. Creative number 3 is burning your budget, so it's need to be turned off. The creative number 4 is outlier, so we need to raise a budget for it. You don't need to see on dashboards, you don't need to see on pivot tables. You get the decision already made, sit there with your coffee. And because it runs every single day, you catch the budget leaks in hours. Now let's put all 4 pieces together, because this is where it clicks. Step 1. The customer analysis. Feed step 2. The content factory, so everything you publish is built on real pain point. That content pulls lead into a step 3, the chatbots which have live conversation and close it. And step 4, the analyst watches all of it and tells the system what to fix. The data moves in the loop. The customer research sharpens the content feed the bots, and the analytics correct the bot. And the whole thing keeps getting better on its own. It's one living system, and your job inside it shifts to architect and controller. You design it and you keep it honest, while the machine does the heavy lifting. So, where to start today? Digitize your customer. Take your call transcripts, your reviews, your CRM data, and build that first knowledge base. That single steps makes everything you get with AI better the same day. The other 3 sits on. Get it working, then add a content factory, then the bots, and then analysts. And if it changed how you think about AI in your business, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next videos.